You're scrolling through your feed, and suddenly, boom, a jaw-dropping 360-degree video floods your screen, pulling you into the action like never before. Circle July 15th, 2025 on your calendar, because DJI is gearing up to blow the lid off immersive capture. But here's the kicker. They're teasing us as early as July 8th, with a first glimpse at what promises to be the sleekest, smartest 360 camera ever built. Trust me, you don't want to blink through either of these drops. Miss one, and you'll be playing catch-up in a world that's about to spin in every direction. Stay locked in until the end, because I've got insider tidbits you won't see anywhere else. We've come a long way since the first shaky panoramic shots. Today, 360-degree video is rewriting the rules of visual storytelling. From immersive travel vlogs that place you on the edge of a cliff, to interactive educational experiences that let students explore ancient ruins in VR, the promise of all-around capture has exploded in popularity. But until now, gear choices felt like a compromise. Either clunky hardware or middling quality. DJI's entry could change that balance, giving broadcasters, creators, and everyday adventurers a tool that sits comfortably in your hand while delivering cinema-grade results. By the time we wrap this video, you'll understand exactly why this moment matters for the next billion views of 360 content. 2D feed. Before we dive deep, let's talk about rivals. Insta360's X5 stole headlines in April 2025 by cranking out 8K footage that looks otherworldly. Meanwhile, GoPro's Max has been the dependable choice for action junkies craving reliability over bells and whistles. DJI can't just match these legends. They need to redefine the category. Can they craft a product that outperforms on specs, ergonomics, and ecosystem all at once? Spoiler alert. The rumors are wild. So wild that even seasoned insiders are rubbing their eyes. We'll break down exactly where DJI stands in this high-stakes showdown. A casual bystander strolling through a park, phone pointed at what looks suspiciously like a prototype DJI Osmo 360. Too staged to be random? That's our bet. Original source Jasper Allen hints at an orchestrated tease. Classic DJI misdirection. Then there are the FCC filings, spilling crystal-clear test shots that would make any photographer drool. The real star is DJI's clever 45-degree mirror trick, borrowed from pro rigs but miniaturized like a Tetris camera. In plain English, it means you get the power of larger sensors without a bulky housing, so you film epic drift runs or mountain descents without looking like you're hauling a toolbox. Every detail we're sharing comes straight from insiders tearing down pre-production units. So buckle up. This is next-level tech talk made simple. On to the juicy specifics. Word on the street is the Osmo 360 packs a 1950 milliamp-hour cell, the same endurance as the Osmo Action 5 Pro, paired with 30-watt USB-C charging to get you back in the action lightning fast. Full DJI Mimo app integration promises real-time previews and advanced settings at your fingertips. Designers even balanced physical buttons with a touchscreen, so you don't have to fumble through menus when you're hanging off a cliff face. And yes, there's an array of magnetic mounts, extension arms, and protective cages rumored to drop alongside. Whether you're live streaming a concert or mapping a cave system, DJI seems poised to deliver a toolkit that adapts to every shooting scenario. But let's pump the brakes for a moment. Not everything glitters gold in pre-launch land. Tipster Jasper Allen warns there's zero chatter among resellers. No prototypes in distributor warehouses, no beta units floating in review circles. Factor in rising trade tensions and you get a potential bottleneck that could push shipping dates well past the holidays. That means you might not get your hands on this beauty in time for the winter peak, an issue if you're planning epic holiday content. We'll keep you posted as rumors solidify into official word. But for now, consider this a cautionary footnote in our hype train. Now, hold on to your hats, because DJI isn't stopping at 360-degree capture. Enter the Osmo Nano, a wearable POV camera designed to vanish into the background so you stay in the moment. Leaked images reveal a two-module system, camera head and base battery unit, locking together magnetically like next-gen action camera Tetris. Expect 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery-smooth slow motion, a 1-inch CMOS sensor for low-light clarity, and rock-steady 3.0 plus stabilization that keeps horizons honest, even when you're tearing down single-track trails. Early FCC docks even hint at detachable screens and extended battery packs, so you can customize on the fly. It's a bold gambit to outshine GoPro Hero 11 Mini and Insta360 Go 3S in the under $400 space. We've dissected leaks, dissected specs, and sized up rivals, all pointing to one truth. DJI is staking its claim in both the 360-degree and wearable POV camera arenas. Will they pull it off? On July 8th, we get our first official teaser. On July 15th, we got the full reveal. Don't miss a second. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join our live breakdowns for every moment of DJI's big wave. Drop a comment right now. Which feature has you most hyped? I'll see you in the live stream. This is going to be epic. Until then, keep capturing every angle of life.